Hey everybody, this is Leo from Pretreat Co. And today we got a package from BELLA+CANVAS. Let's open it up. I've actually been super excited. I knew that these were gonna come in, I just didn't know when. I do have an idea of what I want to do with them, but I want to get something first. It's been about 4 weeks since I've had a haircut and it is not looking good under there. So I figured we can make a matching hat and face mask combo for when we do have to go out in public. If you guys want to see a full video on how I pre-treat and heat press face masks, check out the link in the description. Alright, now that our face mask and our hat are pre-treated, let's start by loading up the face mask on our face mask platen. Loading up your face mask is really easy. All you have to do is get the bottom of the face mask and tuck it under this top plate right here. Then you just throw the rest of the face mask over, and you take the top of the elastic and you tuck that part under the top plate as well, and you're ready to print. To load the side of the hat, all you have to do is take the sweatband that's located under the hat and tuck it under the top plate. So you want to do that in the front. Then with the back, you want to grab your tucker and take a little bit of extra slack and pinch it under the top plate as well. Then just slide the tucker out and you're ready to print. I want to give a big shout out to BELLA+CANVAS for sending over the face masks, letting me create the matching face mask hat combo you see here. But also just remember, this is gonna pass, this isn't forever. And when it does pass, you can use your face mask plan to start printing on hats. My name is Leo with Pretreat Co, and I'll catch you on the next one.